All right, boys and girls, this will be week 19, Tuesday night's homework. So it says if 2/3 equals 2 times 1/3, then 5/6 equals, that would be 5 times 1/6. So yeah, if I multiply 5 times 1/6, that'll give me 5/6. If I multiply that across, so 5 times 1 would be 5, then my 6 would be just still 6, because 1 times 6 is 6. So next one, number 2 says write a sign to make this statement true. So less than, greater than, or equal to. So I have 1/3 and I have 2/5. Well, to compare those fractions quickly, I could just cross multiply or a butterfly method. So I have 1 times 5, which is 5, and I have 2 times 3, which is 6. So that means this fraction is bigger, 2/5 is bigger than 1/3, so my sign goes that way. Next one says the boys picked 2.5 baskets of cherries. The girls picked 6 3/4 baskets. How many baskets did the boys and girls pick in all? So I'm gonna have to add. So I have 2.5 plus 6 3/4. Well, I don't have the same denominator, so I have to do that first. So for 2 and 4, I know my least common multiple is going to be 4. So I'm going to have 4 as my new denominator. So I'm going to have 2 and something over 4. Plus 6. And this fraction was already over 4. So it'll just stay a 3 up there and a 4. So now I need to know what this numerator is going to be over here. So if I had a 2 up here and I turned it into a 4, I had to multiply that by 2. So I also need to multiply the top by 2. So that's going to be 2 up here. So now I can add. I have 2 plus 6. I'll add my whole numbers first. 2 plus 6 is 8. And then 2 plus 3 is 5. And then my denominator stays the same, 4. But that's an improper fraction. So I need to fix that by dividing, or I can just turn it into it's a mixed number. I can turn that into an improper fraction actually. So I can do 8 times 4. Well, no, I could just keep that a mixed number. But I can take a whole lot of this and give it to this 8. So that'll give me 9. And I'll have 1 left. So that'll be 9 1/4. Because I know I can get one group of 4 out of 5. So that's going to be 1 whole. So I just add that whole to this whole that I already have. So 8 plus 1 would be 9. Then I would have 1 left over from that 5. So that'll be 9 1/4. So that's how many cherries they picked in all. How many baskets of cherries they picked in all. And that is it for Monday night's homework. Of Tuesday night's homework, sorry.